Hello, and welcome to this outing. Beautiful day, it's cold. You can see my breath. We are at the Kasilof River. This is right down towards Tustamina Lake. As you can see, the river is pretty much frozen. And this is where we're gonna camp. I'll level the van a little bit and get all set up, and then we'll get us a campfire going. And this is where we're gonna camp out tonight. So welcome aboard. We're gonna do a little outdoor cooking and just relax. It's Christmas Eve, so let's go enjoy ourselves. Not bad. That was surprisingly level. The van's level on all axes. So we're gonna leave it right there, and I'm gonna get a campfire going. Well, the current temperature is 1 degree Fahrenheit, and it's clear, so it'll probably dip into the minuses pretty good tonight. But hey, we got home right there. It's nice and warm in there, and life is good. Sit out over the campfire until we run out of firewood, and then we'll go inside. Alright, it is time to start cooking our steak. We're having steak for dinner, and we are going to cook it right here over the campfire. I'd like to take a minute and thank everybody that commented on the last video about ideas for food and stuff. I'm incorporate several of those ideas, and those of you that sent me private messages, I appreciate those too. And I do answer all the questions that are sent to me, so that diesel heater just running away over there, keeping her nice and warm in there. Steak. Yummy. So let's see how we did. Most smoky flavor. Seasoning's good, of course. I don't think you'll be able to see very well, but nice medium rare. Looks like we're having a beautiful sunset. Next time I stop by my storage unit, I need to make sure I grab my little table. Definitely feel the temperature starting to drop. It's cooling off. Try to get you a little better view of that sunset. It is beautiful. Campfire's nice and warm. About probably a half hour of fire left, and we'll sneak into the van again. Okay, campfire is down quite a ways. We're gonna hang out for a little bit more, but hopefully you can see that moon. If not, I'll insert a picture. But that little sliver of a moon looks pretty cool. Van's nice and warm. I was just in there cleaning things up and putting things away. Still got to do my dishes though. But I figured I'd come out and hang out by this fire until it's almost out. And I'm gonna climb in there, finish my dishes, and throw on a movie. Alright, campfire's pretty close to out. I got everything, I just keep kicking it into the center. It'll all be gone in the morning. But, let's see, that's the moon. I'm gonna hop in the van now, call it a night out here. Oh yeah, and guess what was froze again? So they're in thaw out mode. Alright, well, I'm gonna shut this off. I'm gonna go ahead and get organized in here and then I'll bring you back. I mean, it is a Christmas movie. -4. Yep, it's chilly outside Christmas morning. Merry Christmas, everybody. Good morning. It's Christmas Day. The river is frozen. Campfire was there last night. Heater's on. It was 4 below zero this morning when I woke up. And we're gonna fire this bad dog up. Let it start warming up. And yes, it doesn't look like it was level, but it was very level. Shocking. Alright, let's warm this dog up. Let's see if it'll start first. Yep, fire's right up. Well, we're gonna get ready to get on the road. But I figured I would catch you up. I fell asleep last night. Got comfortable, was watching a movie, heat was on, and the next thing I knew, I woke up. So I never followed up last night. Apologies. I didn't expect to fall asleep, but I've been running pretty hard the last couple weeks, finishing up projects. I've got a lot to do and a month left to do it before I get my new knee. So that was kind of why I fell asleep. But anyhow, welcome back. It's a new morning, it's a new day. So let's go have some fun. And again, we camped right over there. And this is the boat launch on the Kasilof River. Let the van warm up a little more.